Hey everybody, it's Dr. Kumra. I wanted to take a second and show you one of our common occurrences with braces is a pokey wire. I want to show you a way that we can deal with that at home. At the beginning of your orthodontic treatment, you guys got orthodontic wax. You can have this, they have it at CVS, Giant, anything also. But these little strips of wax, if you grab just a tiny bit of it, like this, you probably want to warm it between your fingers so it's a little bit more pliable and we can adapt it around the pokey wire. But what we can do at home until you can get into the office is just try to smooth the situation out over there. So what was pokey and super uncomfortable for our patient now should be alleviated. This will buy you time to get into the office so we can get you patched up over here. So guys, thanks for watching. If you ever need us for anything, please, my staff, we're always here for you. Doors are always open. Let us know how we can help, okay? Thanks.